Hello everyone, I'm Jerry D'Ambrosio, the Manager of Educational Content with VectorVest, and I'm delighted to deliver this week's special presentation titled Top Trading Systems of 2020. Well folks, the day has come. Let's all join in together and say goodbye to 2020 and hello to a brand new year with exciting new opportunities. In tonight's special presentation, I'll be highlighting the very best automated trading systems of 2020 for each type of investor. So whether you are a prudent, conservative, or aggressive investor, you'll have a head start as to where to park your money in 2021. So here I am at the Trading System Viewer. All I did was click on Viewers from the main toolbar at the top, and then Trading System Viewer. And the Trading System Viewer houses dozens and dozens of automated trading systems. And the default ranking system is 1 year percentage gain. So the best performing trading system, raw performance over the last 1 year, was the Russell 2000/RT using a 50% gain or a 10% loss as its exit criteria. It is an aggressive trading system. It uses the green light buyer market timing system. You can see the performance here over the last 1 month, up 8%, 3 months, up 45%, 1 year, year over year, up 340%. And there's your 1 year equity curve with a year-to-date return of 340.3%. Now the one thing that concerns me a little bit about this trading system is the drawdown. It's rather high, about 27%. Now the annualized rate of return is 342%. Now that annualized rate of return is from when we started tracking the trading system, not just the last year's annualized rate of return. So if I click on the trading system at the top, go to Trading System Details, you can see it finds Russell 2000 stocks and sorts the lowest RT values to the top of the list. So this is a bottom fishing search, only looking at Russell 2000 stocks with the lowest RT values. The performance is as of December 30th of 2020, and we started tracking this trading system on August 9th of 2019. And you could see where it really exploded. This was the rally off of the March low. What tremendous performance we have here. If I scroll down to the bottom, we can see our trading system statistics. We went over the 1 month, the 3 month. There's your 6 month performance, 42%. There's your year to date and your 1 year, and then the all time. And the maximum drawdown of 27% and the low percentage of winning trades, only 29%, is a little concerning. You can't argue with the performance, 340% over the last year. And it has made a lot of trades here, 271 total trades since August 9th of 2019. If I click on Trading System Rules, here are the rules. It takes no action on down signals. So with the green light buyer market timing system, the down situation is a confirmed down. It doesn't take any action on neutral situations either. So it holds through confirmed down situations and allows the stop criteria to take us out of a position. So either a 50% gain, 10% loss. The problem here is with an automated trading system, we can be up as much as 45%, but it not stop us out because we didn't reach 50%. It can go all the way back down to 10% before it stops us out of that position. I think that's where the higher drawdown comes into play. We try to maintain 10 positions. When entering this situation, anytime we get a green light signal, we don't close any open position. Moving us back into the Trading System Viewer. My favorite aggressive trading system is the one right below it. The S&P 400 Midcap/RT. Now this trading system looks only at S&P 400 Midcap stocks and sorts them RT ascending, bringing the lowest RT values to the top of the list. This uses a 40% gain and a 10% loss as its exit criteria. It's also aggressive, uses the green light buyer. 9% over the last month, It's gained 39% over the last 3 months, 214% over the last year. Nothing to be disappointed about. There's your 1-year equity curve. 216% year to date, 245% annualized rate of return since we started tracking the trading system. What I like here is the lower drawdown, 19%. And out of all the aggressive trading systems at the top of this list, the S&P 400 Midcap/RT has the lowest drawdown, with the second best overall 1-year performance. So if I had to choose, I would go with the S&P 400 Midcap/RT. If I go to Trading System Details, there's the equity curve. Began tracking this system on August 9th of 2019. We'll go to the trading system rules here. And one of the reasons I believe for the lower drawdown is the fact that this trading system goes to cash at a confirmed down situation. It takes no action on neutral signals and only buys when there's a green light in the price column of the color guard. Tries to maintain 10 positions, and anytime we get a green light, we're not going to close any open position in the portfolio. We will close all positions once we get a confirmed down situation. So that's, I think, the biggest reason for the lower drawdown there is because we go to cash at the confirmed down situations. 45% winning trades, much better than 28. So we're almost at 1-to-1. One winner for every loser. And again, 19% drawdown. Anytime you get a drawdown under 20%, you're in pretty good shape. Now this has a lot of trades here as well. Total trades 194, but remember, we're closing potentially 10 stocks at every confirmed down situation. That's going to rack up a number of total trades when you do that. So comparing apples to apples, looking at the top 6 aggressive trading systems in the trading system viewer, my pick is the S&P 400/RT, uses the green light buyer system with a nice 19% drawdown and a 245% annualized rate of return. Now scrolling down a little further, the best performing Prudent trading system uses the VST Rockets. If you folks remember back in August, I did a presentation on VST Rockets, and it's performed quite well since that last presentation. This uses the DEW market timing signal. 8% gain over the last 1 month, 25% over the last 3, 134% year over year. Look at that beautiful equity curve there over the last year. 128% year to date, 109% annualized rate of return since we started tracking the trading system, and a very nice 15% drawdown. Follow the money, 15.8% drawdown as well, but the performance wasn't as good as VST Rockets. So if I click on Trading System Details, VST Rockets finds buy-rated stocks with positive earnings growth rate and sorts for best combination of VST average volume and PE ratio. So high VST rated stocks that are actively traded with a good PE ratio. And there's our performance. Look at that equity curve since July of 2018. There is your February, March crash. Remember, if I go to Trading System Rules, what this system also does is it goes to cash, very similar to the S&P 400 Midcap. This goes to cash at every DEW down situation. And if I go into the VectorVest program and just go to a market timing graph over the last 1 year and put our DEW signals on, we gave a DEW down signal on February 24th. That trading system was in cash for the entire crash, got us back in a couple of weeks off of the bottom on April 6th. And if I go back to the trading system details here, 59% winning trades. Almost 6 winners out of every 10 stocks that you trade. 143 total trades. Again, we're closing positions at every DEW down signal, so that's going to increase that total trade number. A very low 15% drawdown. If I go down to the bottom to our current holdings, currently have 10 holdings. PDD, big winner, 73%. Our smallest winner is EIGI, up about 1/3%. And we just bought most of these on that recent DEW signal that we got on November 3rd. So VST Rockets, I think we can definitively say, was the best performing Prudent trading system over the last 1 year. And I really like the high number of winning trades with the low drawdown. And finally, if I scroll down, we've got to scroll down a little further here to take a look at our best performing conservative trading systems. We have Pale Blue Chips, uses the Profit Locker Pro with the conservative setting. Moneymaker uses a 15% trailing stop, and here's Moneymaker's here. Let's take a look. All in all, the 1 year performance, pretty much the same, right around 22 to 24%. Year-to-date numbers are pretty much the same here as well. Moneymaker with the trailing 15% stop has an annualized rate of return of 25%, and it has the lowest drawdown of the 3 best performing conservative trading systems here. So let's take a look at Moneymaker with a 15% trailing stop. I'm going to go to Trading System Details. I'm going to go right to the Trading System Rules, because Moneymaker looks for buy-rated stocks with above average relative safety. We need the relative safety indicator to be above 1. The results are sorted to bring stocks with the highest RS to the top of the list. This is your quintessential conservative scan. Looking for stocks that have buy ratings, they must be in uptrends, but that they are the safest stocks in the list, the highest relative safety stocks. This trading system uses the RT Kicker Combo market timing signal, and it takes no action on down or neutral situations. So with the RT Kicker Combo down signal, that's a red light in the price column of the color guard with the 10-day moving average on RT below the 15. That is, of course, on the VectorVest composite. Again, uses a 15% trailing stop, tries to maintain 10 positions, will automatically replace closed positions as long as we have an RT Kicker up situation. Little bit of a pullback here, right? In February and March, remember, we didn't go to cash. We just let our 15% trailing stop take us out of positions. But all in all, even so, only a 16% maximum drawdown. And that has everything to do with the types of stocks that you're trading. Buy-rated stocks with a high RS score. High RS stocks are the safest stocks in the database. Sure, they'll pull back, but their pullbacks are not as severe as, let's say, an aggressive type stock. 64% winning trades. That's fantastic. And only 45 trades here all time from October of 2018. So that's about 1 trade every 2 months. So once you've decided which trading system that you feel most comfortable with moving forward, and by the way, it could be more than one, you could put money set aside for the aggressive trading system. You could allocate money towards a more prudent or conservative trading system. But the next step from the trading system viewer is to move the system to the Genius. So I'm going to click on Paper Trade in Portfolios, and you can follow the trading system in the Portfolio Manager. That'll take all the stocks over to the Genius. That'll transfer all of the settings and all the rules over to the Genius as well. I'm going to start with an empty portfolio, and I'm going to change our commission type here to none. And I'm just going to simply click on OK. We'll open the portfolio now. And notice what it did. It populated 10 brand new stocks because the Genius is on, and we are currently in an up situation with the green light buyer market timing system. So you have your alerts set up. If I click on Tools, go to Application Settings, select Alerts. You enter in your email address, what type of alerts you want. These are portfolio order alerts. You can enter in either your email address or your cell phone. Select your carrier, enter your number, and you will get alerts via email or text message when trades need to be placed. The stop criteria with the S&P 400 midcap/RT, remember, is a 40% gain, 10% loss. That's loaded in here already. Anytime a stock either makes 40% or loses 10%, you will get alerted. You sell that stock. Once the stock is sold from the Genius, it will give you its replacement, and that will be the stock that you go out and purchase. Now notice at the top, it says Auto Timer. This is a fully automated trading system if you have the auto timer add-on module. Now the auto timer comes included with a real-time subscription. It is an add-on module to the end of day or the intraday subscription. So if you have either one of those and you want to take out a trial, just give our support department a call and they'll be more than happy to set you up with a free trial to the auto timer so you can test out these automated trading systems yourself. Well folks, this concludes tonight's special presentation. I want to wish everybody a safe and happy new year and a prosperous 2021. Take care everybody.